In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads with YouTube. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account and make sure you're using the account that should be connected to your YouTube channel. After signing in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly before you begin navigating. Next, look at the top navigation bar and click the Tools and Settings icon. From the menu that opens, select Data Manager. This is where you can manage connections between Google Ads and different data sources. In the list of available sources, find YouTube and click on it. Then choose the option that says Link Channel to begin the connection process. At this point, open your YouTube channel in a separate browser tab. This makes it easier to quickly grab the information you need without losing your place in Google Ads. Once your channel is open, copy your YouTube channel URL directly from the address bar. Be sure to copy the full channel link so Google Ads can identify the correct channel. Now, return to your Google Ads tab and paste the YouTube channel URL into the provided field. After that, you'll be able to configure the available channel linking settings. Take your time here because these settings control how the two platforms work together. You'll also need to select the permissions and options you want to use. Depending on your setup, these permissions may affect access to data, ad interactions, and other linked features, so it's important to choose the options that match your goals. Once that's done, review the channel information and the settings you selected. This quick review helps you catch any mistakes before the request is sent. If everything looks correct, click Submit to send the link request. In some cases, you may be prompted to complete additional authorization or approval steps. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. This can happen if extra confirmation is required between the Google Ads account and the YouTube channel. Finally, wait for the YouTube channel to appear as linked inside Google Ads. Depending on the account and approval process, this may happen right away or take a little time. Once the channel shows as linked, the connection is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching.